Okay, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I want to share to all of you about the long triangle tiny house from the aerial view. This is some of my prompting work from one of AI platform. So this episode is unusual from the previous episode because I will show you about my prompting work from the aerial view of the tiny house with the triangle shape. It was interesting and gave us a lot of inspiration and design idea about the tiny home. Okay, let's watch. I've already made this prompting with one of AI platform with a theme about the triangle tiny home, and we can look for this several tiny home alternative design from the aerial view. So in this object we can look about approximately about the floor plan of this triangle tiny home itself. Then we can look for the layout between the another furniture, between the several furniture over there, such as sofa and then cabinet and many more over there. And I like several design of this my prompting with one of AI platform. And in this design we can look about the triangle shape of the tiny home, as we can look from the aerial view. That was some cabinet arrangement with a triangle roof over there, and then we can look for the another layout. I mean, in this design, this alternative design is look so spacious, layout. I mean, because of the triangle is large enough, then I think it's just unusual design from the another tiny home design with triangle floor plan like this. But I like about the woody vibes of this tiny home because it make warm of the indoor room anyway. Then we can look for the next. Okay, this is about the off-grid living with the triangle tiny home, as we can look for the aerial view. But I think it's so futuristic model with a combination about the triangle cladding or triangle module to become a triangular tiny home like this. And the one of uniqueness of this tiny home is this tiny home using wheels of the tiny home. So the tiny home is, of course, could be movable to the another place, from one place to the another place. And for the another area, we can look a little bit from here about the floor plan, such as a round table and many more cabinet over there. And for the next design, I like about the meshing arrangement with a combination about the triangle or folded mesh of this tiny home on the right side wings and on the left side wings. And in the center it has a courtyard, a little courtyard on the outdoor area. So the courtyard could be relaxing place for the user, could be like this. Then for the another activity such as a barbecue and family family activity and many more. I mean, then we can look for the another object like this. Okay, and then we can look for this design. It looks so simple, compact with unusual layout. I mean, it's like a trapezoid design or trapezoid floor plan on this tiny home. But one of beautiful thing here is about the large courtyard on the front of this tiny home, as we can look about the combination between the maximizing entrance with the transparent material such as a glazing window and the door. I mean, this is using the sliding door transparency like this. And I like about the vibes of the semi-outdoor courtyard like this. Okay, and this is just simple and small about the folded or triangular tiny home, as we can look for the exterior such as on the window, and then for the wall on the right side and the roof. I think it's just maximizing the design expression with the folded concept, I mean. But I think this tiny home it's just for one person or two person, maybe it's just my opinion, because of the size of this tiny home is really small, because we can look for the proportion between the wheels and the shape of whole building of this triangular tiny home itself, I mean. Then for this next design is I think it's so luxurious tiny home design with triangular shape of the entrance and for the roof. I think this design is maximizing about the skylight with the folded roof skylight. I think it's so extreme, I mean, but it's so futuristic enough because this envelope is with the transparent material dominance, I mean. So we can look for the interior layout area, we can look for the kitchen area, and another cabinet, maybe another stairs with which is a built-in with cabinet below, I mean, which is my opinion. Then we can see about the, I mean, this is about the glamour camping tiny home design anyway, because of it has separated mesh of the design. For the right side mesh, maybe it's just for communal area, and for the left side for private room or bedroom, I mean. And all of both mesh, it has a skylight and large skylight, I mean. So I think this design is really maximizing the environment, maximizing the surrounding environment to get a lot of natural vibes indoor. Okay, I think this is about the another various of this design. It's just another various of this design that we can look for the floor plan of axonometry or axonometry floor plan right there, and we can look for the house design. But I mean, this seems like a conventional design of the landed house because of the size. I mean, it's so large, because of it has a separated room over there with several room and many room like this. I mean, it's so special house, I mean, special house for landed function, I mean. Okay, then we can look for the, yeah, this is I'm very like these vibes of this triangle tiny home because of this iconic design with skylight, triangular skylight just like this. So it was maximizing the uh, daylighting system and maximizing the surrounding environment. It's not only about the building design of the tiny house, but I mean the user or the builder are consider about the landscape of the perimeter area of this triangle tiny home. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and don't forget to subscribe and just wait for my next video. Thank you.